So my name is Axel van Bokstel. I recently graduated the Master Industrial Design at the DEUS. I'm 26 now and I just started working at DEUS as a strategic service designer. What DEUS generally does is bringing the fields of data science, engineering, strategy and design together. And I'm more in the strategy team. So here I try to connect with business partners and see how we can set up innovation approaches. We also use design to set up these strategies. I really like to be this linking pin between the strategy part and the design part and work on innovation in a creative manner like that. Working in a startup is actually quite comparable to studying because it's so dynamic and there's a lot of freedom and there's a lot of responsibility for your own projects. So I always wanted to think about the larger approach, so what is the strategy behind the product and how can we position it in the organizational strategy, and these bigger subjects I was really interested in always. So I think that's something that has always been a part of me. Only throughout my master's I discovered that I wasn't so interested in the business side of the strategy, but more the human side. So what is the impact on the human and how can we really scale up the thinking as a designer, because there's a lot of value in being so human-centered and thinking on this holistic level. And that's something that I think I've learned throughout the masters and I really developed as well, which I'm the idea of when I started.